my channel. You're welcome to Dinah Anno. I'm so happy filming this video today, and I know you guys are here to see how I achieved this eye look. I would be very glad to show you guys how I achieved this eye look. So without too much talking, first of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, help me grow this channel. And yeah, you can now sit down and see how I was able to achieve this gorgeousness. So the first thing I'm going to be using is a primer. I'm using this classic eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to concentrate it on my lid. And I did not set my concealer. So the next thing I would use is, I'm using my Imagic palette. Please excuse this palette, it is shattered. I'll be using this yellow and this. I'll be combining both of them. It's a matte color, and I'm not going to take it above that point. I'm just going to be pressing this on my lid. This palette has fallout, so that's why I have powder under my eye to like trap it. So I'm just mixing those two yellow colors I showed you guys initially, and you can see that I'm pressing it. I'm not like spreading it everywhere. I will spread it, but not now. I'm just pressing it on. And then when it gets to this point, I can now start spreading. It's a very, very simple eye look. The next thing I would be doing will be, I will then go into the same palette. I will be using, please excuse my palette, like it fell down so it broke. I will be using this black shade and the brown eyeshadow, so you can use your black and your brown eyeshadow. I'm first going to use the brown, and I'm going to start. Wow, it's very pigmented. I first of all just place the shadows before even trying to like blend them or anything like that. So I just place them, and then now I can start blending. I'm going to go back into the yellow. I didn't put any more shadow. I didn't put any more shadow on it. It's just the same brush, and I'm blending them together, and I'm taking back the brush that has the black. You can see how pigmented it is. I didn't even need to add more shadow. That's how pigmented the Imagic palette is. Then I will dip into the orange. I love that orange shadow. I always use it to transition, and I use it as blush. Oh my god, that is the only orange shadow in this palette, so any orange shadow you have will do. So I'm going to use this to transition, and I'm blending it into my nose contour. So now I'm going to go back again into that yellow, and I'm going to just using the black again. I'm not adding more shadows. I'm just using the same brush to like blend everything. And now I'm going to use the black. Remember, I said I was going to use black and brown, and I'm just going to use this to deepen up my V area to add more depth to the whole look. You can see how the black changes everything. So you can see that I'm only concentrating it on my outer V area. I'm not spreading it further. If you are looking for a palette that has very fun colors, from bright to, you know, just normal colors that you can use for different eye look, if you're a makeup artist or if you are somebody that's just starting out in makeup, I would advise that you buy the Imagic eyeshadow palette. I'm taking it into my inner corner and I'm blending it to the lower part of my eyes. I would advise that you use that palette. You buy this palette, it is economical and it gives you enough colors, and it is very pigmented, so you're not going to struggle trying to get your colors to show up. So that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do would be to dust off the excess powder I have under my eyes that I used to catch fallout. Then I'm going to finish up this eye look and then finish up the rest of my makeup after that. And yeah, so I didn't add any more product. I'm using the same product, the same brush, and I'm spreading this. I'm using the same brush and I'm just sweeping it under my eye, trying to spread the colors under my eye. After doing this, I'm going to take the yellow again and emphasize it more in my inner corner. Like so. Okay. So guys, that's it. That's how I achieved this look. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. Bye.